Hey, Rudy.
What's up, pretty crew? Welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate.
I love jello pudding pop.
And if you're new, welcome. So we're gonna do something a little different today. Usually, some of y'all know I love lip gloss, right? Well, I wanna get back into lipstick. I'm really trying to ease my way back into it. Today, we're gonna do an ombre lip with...
Drums, please.
Anastasia Beverly Hills. Before we get any further into this video, please like, comment,
and subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, you already know what it is. You ugly. All right, don't be ugly. Come join this pretty crew. Learn a thing or two, okay? All right, let's jump into this video. So usually I try and make sure I have like a little thing of Vaseline or an off-brand Vaseline, because as you can tell, there's like HEB right there. But you know, HEB is life.
HEB is love. HEB is life.
I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. This is my NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the color Espresso. So we're just gonna line our lips. The whole point of lining my lips is so that I can stay in the lines like how we was kids. Make sure you trace out everything and then fill it in so that you don't go out of the lines. Now we're gonna go on my Anastasia Beverly Hills Malt. We're gonna line my lips again, but we're gonna go on with this lipstick. Okay, so just went around where I'd had my lip liner with the malt lipstick, and we're just gonna kind of let that sit just for a little bit. Okay, now we're going in with the color Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're just going to put that in the center of my lips. And now just try and go back in with your malt or whatever dark lipstick you got and try and just blend it so that it's not all, yeah. All right, you guys, this is how I get my ombre lip. If I'm being honest with you guys, I haven't done an ombre lip in so freaking long, and that was a task in itself. Like, I thought I was gonna cry, but it all worked out perfectly, thank the Lord. But make sure to like, comment,
and subscribe.
If you don't subscribe, you ugly, okay? Until you click that subscribe button down there, that red little button down there, then that's when you're gonna glow up. I don't care who you are. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next how-to. Peace out.